Hello, in this video I will show you how to customize the Affiliate Press panel. Go to the Affiliate Press settings page and open the Appearance tab. This is the Appearance page. Here you can change multiple colors and font. Now go to the front end. This is your front end. We will customize the affiliate panel to match your theme colors. Now go to the affiliate panel. This is the affiliate panel. To customize it, go to the Backend. Now change the colors according to your theme. After changing the colors, click the Save button to apply the changes. The changes have been saved successfully. Now go to the affiliate panel page and reload it. As you can see, the font color, panel background color, and other changes are applied successfully. Now go to the backend and change the font. The changes have been saved successfully. Now go to the affiliate panel page and reload it. As you can see, the font has also been changed. Affiliate Press also provides a reset option for appearance. Go to the back end. Click the Reset to Default button to reset the appearance. Appearance has been reset successfully. After that, click the Save button to apply the changes. Go to the front end and reload the panel. As you can see, the panel now shows the default colors.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.